Greetings and salutations, Ravage Rider here. Let's do an unboxing. So I'm super excited. Today I received my package from ECS Tuning. This is something that I purchased myself. I am not sponsored by anybody. This is for my Volkswagen GLI. Let's check the boxing out. So it arrived. Looks to be in decent shape. This is an outer boxing. A little bit of damage here, but there's an inner boxing there. Hopefully everything's okay. I believe it is. Let's find out. Cutting the box open with one hand while holding the camera with the other hand was interesting. I'm glad I didn't cut my finger open on camera. So it looks packaged well. I got some APR badging here. I'll unbox this a little bit later. And this here is the main item in this box. Yeah, this is packaged quite well. I'd be surprised if this was damaged in any way. Very nice. This is the duck bill spoiler made by ECS Tuning for the Volkswagen Jetta, Mark 7 Jetta. And there we are. Very nice, and it still has the protective sleeve over top of it. The 3M is already attached on the back side. I still have to take off the factory spoiler, lip spoiler, off my car before I can attach this, but I'm very excited about this. And now for the main event. These I am very excited for. And here we are, 18 by 8.5, gunmetal. Let's open it up. Oh wow, there we are, look at that. So along with the wheel, tape to the bottom of the box here. Inside here is this little baggie. Manuals goapr.com. Download your manual, and this is the center hub ring, which I will need for my Volkswagen. Very nice quality. I'm just going to pull the wheel out real quick and have a quick peek at that. Here I am showing that the scale is calibrated correctly, showing 5 kilograms accurately. 5 kilograms equals 11.02 pounds. According to APR, these wheels should weigh 18.5 pounds. The first one I weigh is 20.05 pounds. I took out the center cap and it weighs 0.03 pounds, making for a difference of 1.52 pounds greater than what APR claims. I weighed the other wheels without the center caps, 19.79 pounds, 19.69 pounds, and 19.65 pounds. This leaves a total difference in wheel weight of 0.37 pounds. Not substantial, but I am curious about where the 18.5 comes from. I'm not ready for the summer tires yet, but when I do swap them, I will compare the winter tire weight to the summer tires. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.